Did you know the banana methane tunnel explosion of 1926? In 1926, workers in a Central American shipping port were loading thousands of overripe bananas into a long underground transfer tunnel. Bananas, like mangoes, release methane and ethylene gases when they ferment. And in a closed space, those gases can become dangerously explosive. The tunnel had poor airflow, and over several hours, the gas concentration kept rising. A worker entered with a regular oil lantern, not knowing the air inside had turned highly flammable. The moment the flame met the gas-filled air, a massive blast ripped through the tunnel. Crates, fruit, and wooden beams were thrown out of the entrance. Nearby workers reported that the explosion sounded like a cannon firing from under the ground. Emergency crews had to dig through collapsed sections to reach survivors. This led to international safety reforms on fruit storage, ventilation, tunnel airflow, no-flame policies in ripe.